Okay, we have this problem that we need to work by elimination. When we work problems by elimination, we try to get something to cancel out. What is designed to cancel out in this problem? X. Do I have to do any adjustments? So I want you to draw a line. Those are going to cancel. They cancel because we have positive 4x and negative 4x. What do we get when we collect our y's here? 6y. And what do we get here? Be careful. Both of these are negative. Negative 12 and negative 24 make negative 36. Then to find the value of y, what do we need to do? Divide by 6. So y is negative 6. So this is what I know so far. Now, how do I go about finding the x?
Plug negative 6 in.
Plug negative 6 into one of the equations. You get to pick the equation that you want to use. Pick the one. Y'all want to do the one on the bottom? 4x plus 8y is negative 24. And I happen to know that y is negative 6. So we'll walk through the process. 4x plus 8, and I replace the y with the negative 6 equals negative 24. So this is going to be 4x. That's a 6. It doesn't look like it, but it is. That's a 6. And what did you say I was going to get when I multiplied? Equals negative 24. Add the 48. So 4x is equal to positive 24. Divide by 4. X is 6. Okay, this problem, nothing is going to go away automatically. We have to make a decision whether we want to try to make the x's disappear or the y's disappear. Which variable do y'all want to try to make disappear? X. In order to make the x's go away, the numbers in front of them need to be the same number, but one of them's positive and one of them's negative. So what are y'all thinking we can turn that into? 15. One of them's got to be turned into positive 15. The other one needs to be turned into negative 15. How do you want to do that? Okay, so I'm going to multiply this one by 3. Every single part of it. So I'm going to get 15x plus 12y equals negative 90. Now I've got to make an adjustment on this equation as well. Oh, okay, good. Y'all want to multiply by negative 5 because you know I have to make that 15 actually be a negative 15. So what's that going to give me? Negative 15x plus 45y equals 90. Now I can cancel out these 15s. That was how I designed the problem. We created that environment to happen that way. What happens here with your y's? 57y is equal to 0. Don't think that you did something wrong. 0 is a number, and 0 can be the answer to what I'm looking for because 0 is a place on the grid. Like there's a location where y is 0. It's okay to be 0. Finish the problem. And what do we get for the y value? 0. Honestly, it makes the rest of the problem a lot easier because now we've got to go back and we've got to find x. So we're going to use one of the original equations right here. And since y is 0, I'm going to put that 0 in place of y. So it's 5x plus 4 times 0 equals negative 30. So this is 0. Y'all are saying just go straight to this line? Is that okay with y'all? Because we know 4 times 0 is 0. Divide by 5, and what is x?
Negative 6.
Negative 6. So that is my answer.